In this video, we will learn how to upload and categorize bank transactions in KostPadi. Bank transaction management helps ensure that your accounting records reflect the real movement of money in your business bank accounts. Instead of manually entering every transaction, you can upload your bank statement and categorize each transaction within the system. This process helps simplify bookkeeping and improve financial accuracy. To begin, open the navigation menu, select Bank Transactions. This page shows all bank activity that has been uploaded or recorded in the system. To upload a bank statement, click Upload Bank Transactions, select the statement file from your computer. You can also download a template from the platform, populate the CSV file. However, ensure you follow the structure, layout, and exactly the formatting maintained in the template to avoid errors while uploading. Confirm the upload. Once uploaded, the system will display all transactions from the bank statement. These may include deposits, withdrawals, transfers, or payments. After uploading transactions, the next step is to categorize them. Each transaction must be assigned to the appropriate account in the chart of accounts. For example, a customer payment may be categorized as sales revenue. An electricity bill may be categorized as utilities expense. A supplier payment may be categorized as inventory purchase. To categorize a transaction, select the transaction, choose the appropriate account category, save the categorization. KostPadi will automatically update your accounting records based on the selected category. Once categorized, these transactions become part of your accounting records. They will appear in financial reports such as the income statement, the cash flow statement, the general ledger. This ensures that your financial reports accurately reflect your bank activity. When managing bank transactions, it is important to follow a few best practices. Always review your bank statements regularly. Ensure that each transaction is categorized correctly. Avoid leaving transactions uncategorized for long periods. Proper transaction categorization helps maintain accurate financial reports and simplifies financial analysis. Uploading and categorizing bank transactions is one of the most efficient ways to keep your accounting records updated in KostPadi. In the next video, we will explore how to post sales and purchases transactions correctly in the system. KostPadi, your go-to Padi for financial solutions.